Hi, I'm Cynthia Sandler, and I'm North Salem Middle School High School's Library Media Specialist. I wanted to let you all know that while the physical library is open for a limited number of students at any given time, our virtual library is open all day, every day. And I will be out of the library and into classes working closely with your children on activities and projects almost every day. New this year, students have been invited to join our library Google Classroom, where they can easily access all of our resources, and the same materials are open for all of you via our school website. Also new, at least for now, is the way students may check out books. On the Google Classroom site, as well as on the library website, students will find a book checkout form. Students can easily and quickly request a book or check the box for a genre that they enjoy, and we will surprise them with a selection. We will hand deliver these books to students' homerooms, and for anyone who is virtual, we will arrange via email to leave the books at the front desk for pickup or drop-off. I am always happy to chat with anyone about our resources, particularly if you would like help navigating our subscription databases to assist with research. Always feel free to email me at csandler@northsalemschools.org, and I look forward to meeting you. Happy reading!